Well, it is a unique community, really, the Sandfields here in Swansea. It's a very, very multicultural community. When you've come from different parts of the globe, you know, a friendly face and a friendly team, I think, really, really is appreciated by the children and their families. Children deserve the best facilities. We've worked extremely hard, anything from creative lounges to 21st century learning classrooms, making sure that our halls are fit for purpose, the classrooms are as best as they possibly can look. And that's been a major focus of our work here.
His charisma is just amazing, you know, and he's very disciplined, but also like engaging with the children.
Really nice person, he's a genuine person. He always makes us laugh.
He's very methodical. He wouldn't ask you to do anything that he wouldn't do himself. He's incredibly supportive.
It's the way he thinks about the future of the children. He's thinking about the GCSEs, you know, when they get to secondary school, or, you know, they becoming a part of the community. So when he does things, it seems like the school and the head is thinking about the future of the child, not just imminent future at the school.
He lives by our school motto, all different, all equal.
It's just fun. He says some jokes which makes us laugh all the time.
It's extremely humbling to be nominated for an award like this, especially as it's been made by ex-pupils of the school. And I think it's just a wonderful reflection on the work we do as a school here and you know, a wonderful reflection for the team at St.Helen.